What's up, guys? Hope you guys been out there building shit. What's up, guys? So, got the Samurai all pressure washed and cleaned up and ready to start working on it. Gonna get the lower transfer case gears installed, transfer case cradle. I got to do the rear upper shock mounts, front upper shock mounts. I've got a kind of a bootleg homemade drive line in there right now for the back. I'm probably gonna go and get a professional one built, lengthened, and same with the front. So stay tuned for those projects. That's coming pretty soon. But today, I'm just gonna get you a cold start for the 73 Kenworth. It's Cummins big cam 350 and old dump truck of my dad's, and so we're gonna get that started up, and I'm gonna get the DOT numbers and stuff off the doors. Truck hasn't been used really in about 10 years, until we started bringing some rock up here to the property. As you can see, it's helped us out a bit. Dad had a heart attack about 10 years ago, and truck's basically just sat since then, and so you know, we've run it a couple times now, and we're gonna start giving it a little more love and getting it fixed back up. So, alright guys, I'm going to get this camera turned around and get this thing started. Alrighty guys. Guys, looks like we got it started. Got it starting to warm up a little bit. I just kind of revved it up to about I was at about 1,000 RPMs or so. Just kind of try to get it warmed up, smoothed out, and then I drop it back down. And I'm just gonna let it idle, warm up here for about 5-10 minutes, and then I'm gonna just pull it up here in front of the bus where I can reach the cord to and start pulling off those stickers. Alrighty guys, gonna pull it up here so we can get the door stickers pulled off. But bear with me, I'm not a truck driver. Alrighty guys, hope you guys like those little revs. Trying to get these stickers all pulled off the doors, and I'm going to get an off for hire put on here for my dad so that he's not getting messed with. And you know, we're just using it personal nowadays anyway, so alrighty guys, so about a half an hour later, all the stickers are gone. Still see the outlines, and it kind of peeled. Right here it peeled a little, and there it peeled a little, unfortunately. That was already peeled before I started. But it peeled here because there was already a pretty deep scratch. This, I'm not sure why it did, but it did. So, not like it's perfect paint. But, that's one side down. Only took about a half an hour and a couple burnt fingertips with the old Harbor Freight heat gun. So, time to get the other side done. Got the truck turned around, and this is the driver's door now. Got it all cleaned up. I could use some glue gun on it, but I'll probably do that here in a little bit. Now, I'm going to show you guys something on the other side that I patterned out, and I made up this little piece of aluminum to cover up the little vent. So I'm going to get that installed real quick. Alrighty guys, so here's the vent on this side, and it doesn't kind of cover. My dad had some duct tape on it for a minute, but it's got that little lip, or you know, you see that little slit there. So I figured I could use one of these things and you know, get it over that like that, and then tighten up the bolt, and it'll cinch it. But then if we loosen it a little bit, we can just kind of pick it up and out of there if we want some more air during the summer or whatnot. So you know, here's a little piece that I got made up. It's just a little piece of aluminum, and I'm gonna get that put on there. Alrighty guys, so got that on there. It was definitely a pain. I ended up having to use some zip ties and hold the inside part in place, because I couldn't reach in there and tighten from this side at the same time. But I got it on there. That should prevent some of the wind during the winter, and you know, keep us a little warmer in there. So anyways guys, till next time, believe in yourselves, believe in your own two God-given hands. I got stuff in my hands, otherwise I would have showed it. You know, usually use your hands guys. Get up off your couch, get out there, build something, fix something, create something. Till next time, keep building shit guys. Hit like, hit subscribe if you like hearing this kind of message. Keep building shit.